Hi everyone, so my name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay, so in this Facebook tutorial we're gonna learn how to create an avatar in Facebook in 2020, alright? So to do this, just open up your Facebook application. Now go up to the top right corner, click on these three lines. Alright, if you don't see this blue screen, you may need to update your Facebook application. After that, go down and you see these avatars. If you don't see this one, you can go down and click on See More. And you will find the avatars right here, okay? So just go and click on Avatars. Okay, click on Next. So now we can go and create our avatar. So first we're gonna select your skin tone to get started. Once you made your selection, you can pick your eyes, hair, outfit and more. So I'm gonna choose my skin tone. So it's maybe this one. Then click on Next. Alright, so now we can add some hairstyle. We can choose short, medium, long, like so. So I'm gonna choose short. So let's say I want to have this one. Okay, then we can click on this one, color. Now you can choose the color of your hair. So let's say I have this color. Okay, now we can click on this one to add face shape. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. You can click on this one, complexion. So let's choose if you have some kind of complexion. After that we can do lines, if you have any lines. You can do eye shape. We can do eye color. So let's say I have this eye color. We can do makeup, eyebrows. We can change the color of eyebrows. So let's say I want to have this. We can add eyewear. And you can change the color of the eyewear if you like. So I'm gonna choose no eyewear. You can change the nose, the mouth, color. You can have facial hair and the color of facial hair. We can add a body shape. You can add an outfit, headwear, and color of the headwear. Okay, and you can also click on this icon. This is the mirror icon to see if this is similar to your avatar. Alright. Okay, so when you are satisfied with your avatar, just click on this button in the top right corner, this check icon. So now Facebook is creating my avatar. After that, just click on Next. Click on Done. Okay, so if you like, you can just click right here to edit your avatar at any time. We can delete the avatar by clicking on the trash can. And we can click on this sticker icon. So here you can see all the stickers connected to your avatar. Okay, you can click on a sticker. So you can send this in Messenger or share this with more options. Okay, we can go back. We can click on this share icon. So you can share this to your feed or set as profile picture. Okay, so you can also use your avatar stickers in your comments. So if I hit X, go to Facebook, and just go and find a post to comment on. So click on comment, click on this emoji icon, and click on your avatar face. So now you can choose these avatars in your comments. Okay? Okay everyone, so this is how you can create an avatar in Facebook in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one and want more of these videos, you can subscribe right here in the corner. You can also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.